Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most amazing and beautiful designing ideas of crochet blankets. You will see very attractive and gorgeous patterns in this video. All of these patterns are mostly beginner friendly, having double crochet stitch as major stitch used in them, and different patterns of double crochet stitches are made in these designs using different contrasting colors, and very attractive and beautiful 7 to 8 contrasting color schemes are used in most of these designs, which are giving an extremely unique and beautiful textured look to these blankets. And they are also looking like multicolor patterns, and in just a few of the designs multicolors are also used. These designs are mostly made with double crochet stitch, having v-stitch pattern, granny stripped pattern, granny square pattern made with double crochet stitch, and you will see shell stitch pattern, double crochet together stitch pattern, and other different wavy style patterns as well. So all of these designs are having different types of patterns used together, and you will see some designs having patchwork and simple one row or two row repeat patterns together used in single blanket as well. So you can see this beautiful pattern of square patches having a flower in center as well, which is also giving an extremely unique and beautiful look. So almost all types of patterns are included in this video, and you can make them for babies. You can use them on easy chairs and sofas, and you can make them even in bigger sizes, and you can use them for bed blankets as well. So I hope you're gonna love them all. If you love them, just give this video a big thumbs up as well. And if you are new to my channel and want more ideas videos like this and crochet tutorial videos, then please press this red subscribe button, and after that press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload any video you can get notifications of each, and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So just stay connected and enjoy all kinds of handmade products ideas and crochet tutorial videos as well. Many of the crochet square patterns and one row or two row repeat patterns for blankets are already available on my channel. And if you are interested in seeing more pattern videos, just let me know in the comments as well. I will make videos on your request too. For joining these square patches, different methods are used in these blankets. Most of the designs are joined together with the help of single crochet stitch, and you can also use sewing needle or yarn needle for this purpose, and slip stitch method can also be used to join the square pieces together. So that's up to you. The method which you find yourself easy can be used to join square patches of different patterns. So stay connected to get them all. Thank you for watching. Bye.